Have you ever asked yourself, why does my coffee mug exist? Why do trees grow? Well, Aristotle's four causes answer these questions by looking at what things are, how they're made, and their purpose. For coffee mug, it is made of clay or ceramic. Trees are made of water, soil, and time. But materials alone don't explain the mug. What turns clay into a mug? The formal cause is its shape. A coffee mug has a handle and a cylinder to hold liquid. A tree has DNA that defines its structure, roots, trunk, and its branches. But who brings the design to life? We will then tackle the third causes of Aristotle, the efficient cause. Who or what made it? The batter and the tools are the efficient cause of a coffee mug. Sunlight, soil, and time is what made the tree grow. The maker or the process is important, but Aristotle asked one last question: why does it exist? The purpose of a coffee mug is to hold your morning coffee. The purpose of a tree is to produce oxygen, provide shade, or to grow a fruit to eat. Next time you hold a thing, ask yourself, what is it made of? What its design? Who or what made it? And lastly, what is its purpose? Aristotle's four causes remind us that everything, from the phone in your hand to the trees outside, has a story. By asking why, we uncover the deeper layers of existence.